Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need to prove this is your device before attempting resets. Start by checking the Google or manufacturer account linked to the phone. That often lets you regain access without erasing data. If account recovery isn't available, gather proof of purchase and the device serial number. You'll need those for service support. Once done, make sure the phone has enough charge and a stable internet connection. These factors determine which official recovery path you can use next. Sign in to the linked account and use the provider's recovery tools to reset or erase the device remotely. This is the safest, supported route and explains why account linkage matters. For Samsung devices, Find My Mobile can unlock without full data loss if previously enabled. If these services cannot reach the device, make sure you've tried the correct account email. Otherwise, plan an authorized factory reset or contact the manufacturer with proof of ownership so they can assist without risking security policy violations. If account recovery fails and you accept data loss, use the device's official factory reset via settings or recovery mode following the manufacturer's documented steps. This removes the lock, but also your data. Otherwise, contact the manufacturer, carrier, or authorized service center with proof of purchase for assistance. This preserves legal ownership and may avoid unnecessary data loss. If things go wrong, make sure you're using the correct linked account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.